Perfect for organizing a wide variety of items such as cutlery, utensils, stationery, tools and craft accessories. Modular design can be customized to fit drawer space. Individual compartments clip easily together on all sides. Multiple sets can be joined together for even more storage space. Self-adhesive non-slip feet included. This modular design comprises 10 individual trays of different sizes that are able to be clipped together on all sides, allowing you to arrange them in any order to fit your drawer space. They can even be divided and used in multiple drawers. To change the order, simply unclip each tray and rearrange as necessary. Perfect for organizing and storing a wide range of household items such as cutlery, utensils, stationery, tools and craft accessories. The set also comes with self-adhesive, non-slip feet which can be applied once the final arrangement of trays has been decided. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Top reviews from the United States. These are great but, we tip. These arrived the other day and I have just gotten around to sorting out the cutlery drawer. These are fantastic, versatile and fit perfect in a standard kitchen drawer. At first I didn't think I could use each compartment in the same drawer but they do. The only tip I can give is to work from the middle of the drawer and around in a clockwork direction. Don't try to put two sides in at the same time as I did and it was a nightmare.